Hey everyone, and welcome to Asansol. This place is tough, a city built with fire and steel. Asansol, the second biggest city in West Bengal, is no piece of cake. It's a city built on hard work, powered by the sweat of its people and the amazing power of nature. Get ready to explore the winding streets, busy markets, and the huge factories that make this city so special. So hold on tight and let's discover the wild spirit of Asansol. Okay, before we jump in, let's see where we are. Asansol, a city that might not be on everyone's radar, but it holds a significant place in the heart of West Bengal. We're in Asansol, in the Bardhaman district, a region known for its rich cultural heritage and industrial significance. About 125 miles from Kolkata, the bustling capital of West Bengal, this proximity to Kolkata makes Asansol an important hub for trade and commerce. This city is built on the banks of the big Damoda River, which has been a lifeline for the region for centuries. The river not only provides water but also supports agriculture and industry. A powerful force just like Asansol. The river's strength mirrors the resilience and industrious spirit of the people here. Asansol is right in the middle of the Raniganj coalfields, one of the oldest and most significant coal mining areas in India. Super important for India's factories. The coal extracted here powers numerous industries, making Asansol a critical player in the nation's economy. These coalfields were the very first to be mined in India, dating back to the early 19th century. The history of coal mining is deeply embedded in the fabric of Asansol, and you can see their history in every part of this city. From the old mining equipment to the historic buildings, the legacy of coal mining is everywhere. The air smells like industry, a mix of coal and metal, a testament to the city's industrial prowess. The ground shakes from big machines and everyone works hard. The people of Asansol are known for their dedication and hard work, contributing to the city's growth and development. But even with all the factories, the city has managed to maintain a balance between industry and nature. You'll find peaceful parks and green spaces where nature takes over. These green oases provide a much-needed respite from the hustle and bustle of industrial life. We know where we are, and now it's time to explore Asansol. From its industrial roots to its cultural landmarks, there's so much to discover in this vibrant city. Let's dive in and uncover the many facets of Asansol together. Okay, let's talk about what makes Asansol tick its industries. This city, nestled in the heart of West Bengal, is a vibrant hub of industrial activity. From the moment you step into Asansol, you can feel the pulse of its industrious spirit. The cityscape is dotted with factories, workshops, and industrial complexes, all contributing to its dynamic economy. This city is a powerhouse, fueled by the coal underground. The Raniganj coalfields, one of the oldest and richest coal fields in India, play a crucial role in powering the city's industries. The coal extracted here is not just a resource, it's the lifeblood of Asansol's industrial sector. The Raniganj coalfields power Asansol's factories. Massive machinery works tirelessly to extract coal, which is then transported to various factories and power plants. This seamless operation ensures that the city's industrial engines keep running smoothly day and night. We're talking steel and power, super important stuff. The steel factories here are some of the most significant contributors to the local economy. They produce high-quality steel that is used in construction, manufacturing, and various other industries. The power plants, on the other hand, ensure that the city never runs out of energy. The Indian Iron and Steel Company is right here in Asansol, a real example of what people can build. Established in the early 20th century, this company has been a cornerstone of Asansol's industrial landscape. It employs thousands of workers and produces steel that is used across the country. You can hear the city working furnaces roaring, metal clanging. It's like a song of industry. The rhythmic sounds of production are a testament to the hard work and dedication of the people who keep these factories running. It's a symphony of progress and productivity. Asansol also has lots of smaller factories and workshops, all important parts of the city's economy. These small-scale industries may not be as large as the steel factories, but they are equally vital. They produce a wide range of products, from textiles to machinery parts, and provide employment to a significant portion of the population. This is Asansol, a city built on hard work and the strong spirit of its people. The community here is resilient and industrious, always striving for progress. Whether it's in the bustling markets or the quiet workshops, you can see the determination and pride in the faces of the people. Asansol is not just an industrial hub, it's a testament to the power of human endeavor and the unyielding spirit of its residents. Every city has a story, and Asansol is no different. Nestled in the heart of West Bengal, Asansol is a city that has witnessed the ebb and flow of history. From its early days as a part of the Mughal Sarai estate to its transformation under British rule, Asansol has always been a place where different eras converge. The city's streets, buildings and landmarks are like pages in a history book, each telling a tale of its own. This place has seen everything, from the grandeur of the Mughal Empire to the industrial might of the British Raj. The Mughal influence is evident in the intricate architecture that still stands today, while the British left their mark with imposing colonial buildings and sprawling railway networks. These structures are not just relics of the past, they are living, breathing parts of Asansol's identity. Way before the factories and railways, Asansol was part of the Mughal Sarai estate, a region rich in culture and history. The Mughal era brought with it a blend of art, architecture and tradition that still resonates in the city's oldest quarters. Old maps of Asansol reveal a landscape dotted with Mughal landmarks, each with its own story to tell. You can still feel that history in the oldest parts of the city. Walking through the narrow lanes and by-lanes, you can almost hear the echoes of the past. The old town streets are lined with historical buildings that have stood the test of time, each one a silent witness to the city's rich heritage. Then the British came with their trains and factories and changed Asansol forever. The introduction of the railway transformed the city into an industrial hub, bringing with it a wave of modernization. The old factories, some of which are still operational, stand as monuments to this era of rapid change and development. When you walk through the older parts of town, look for the layers of history all around you. Each building, each street corner has a story to tell. From the Mughal era to the British period and beyond, Asansol is a city where the past and the present coexist in a delicate balance. You'll see old mosques next to buildings from the British time, showing how the city changes and grows. These juxtapositions are a testament to Asansol's ability to adapt and evolve while preserving its historical roots. The old mosques, with their intricate designs, stand in harmony with the colonial structures, creating a unique architectural landscape. This is Asansol, where the past and the present live together. It's a city that embraces its history while looking forward to the future. The blend of old and modern buildings, the historical and contemporary street views, all come together to create a vibrant tapestry that is uniquely Asansol. Here, every corner, every building and every street has a story to tell, echoing the rich and diverse history of this remarkable city. To survive in a city, you need knowledge and skills. Asansol knows this and wants to help its people. This city has lots of schools and colleges, like bright lights showing the way to a better future. Asansol Engineering College trains the engineers of tomorrow. Asansol Girls College helps women become strong and successful. Asansol Polytechnic College teaches important technical skills. People in Asansol really want to learn, and you can see it in the students' eyes. These schools are building the future of this amazing city. In a busy city like Asansol, getting around is important. Asansol Junction is a big train station that connects the city to all of India. Trains go everywhere, carrying people and goods. Asansol also has good roads and highways. Trucks carry things to and from factories, and buses are always busy. The Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport connects Asansol to other big cities. Rickshaws and auto-rickshaws weave through traffic. So buckle up as we explore how everyone gets around Asansol. Asansol's economy is like a garden with lots of different plants. Industry is important, but so is farming. The land around Asansol is good for growing things thanks to the Damodar River and the hard-working farmers. Rice fields go on forever, very different from the factories. Farmers work hard and their lives depend on the land. Markets are busy places where they sell what they grow. Lots of new stores and malls are opening too. Asansol is a city of opposites where old and new farms and factories all mix together. Even the biggest adventurers need a break. Asansol has quiet, peaceful places too. The Kalyaneshwari temple for the goddess Kali is a holy place. Maithon Dam on the Baraka River is amazing to see, Joychandi Pahar, a hill covered in trees, is great for exploring nature. Hiking in the forests of Joychandi Pahar is a special experience. The air is clean and it's very quiet. Let's enjoy the nature outside of Asansol. In Asansol, be ready for any kind of weather. It's a tropical, wet and dry climate. Summers are super hot and humid, but the people of Asansol are tough and used to it. The monsoon season brings lots of rain. Winters are nice, with cool air and sunshine. Families sit around fires telling stories. Asansol has all kinds of weather, and the people here are ready for it. Asansol is changing fast, and you can see it in the buildings. Construction cranes are everywhere, building tall buildings. New roads are being built to connect different parts of the city. Asansol is becoming modern and growing quickly. There are lots of young people here, connected to the world and ready for new things. But even as Asansol changes, it's important to remember its history. The goal is to grow without forgetting the past. This is a city with a bright future. Asansol, with its diverse people and history, knows all about politics. People talk about politics everywhere. Political parties have big rallies. The Trinamool Congress, the BJP, the CPIM. These are some of the big political groups in Asansol. Elections are like a big festival of democracy. Posters are everywhere and loudspeakers announce campaign promises. The people of Asansol know their votes are important. Let's remember the power of democracy as we learn about Asansol's politics. Well, everyone, that's the end of our trip through Asansol. Asansol is a city you won't forget, with its tough spirit and hard work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures as we explore the world. See you next time.